Welcome to Amazon Tech Insights. Today, we're reviewing the Bose QuietComfort Bluetooth headphones, a pair of wireless over-ear headphones that are known for their industry-leading noise cancellation, incredible comfort, and exceptional sound quality. If you're looking for a pair of headphones that can provide a premium listening experience, then these might be just what you need. Let's dive into what makes the Bose QuietComfort a standout in the crowded world of headphones. Design and comfort. Right out of the box, the Bose QuietComfort Bluetooth headphones impress with their sleek, minimalist design. The black color gives them a professional and understated look, and they're designed to appeal to a wide range of users. The lightweight frame makes them easy to wear for hours without feeling heavy or uncomfortable. The over-ear earcups are cushioned with plush memory foam, which creates a secure yet comfortable fit. Whether you're listening to music, on a call, or watching a movie, the padded earcups effectively reduce pressure on your ears, ensuring a comfortable fit for long listening sessions. These headphones are perfect for travelers, commuters, or anyone who needs to wear them for extended periods. Sound quality. Bose is renowned for producing excellent sound, and the QuietComfort Bluetooth headphones live up to that reputation. The sound is clear, well-balanced, and incredibly detailed. The bass is punchy without overpowering the mids and highs, while vocals remain crisp and natural. Whether you're into classical music, jazz, or modern pop, these headphones offer a rich and immersive listening experience. What sets the Bose QuietComfort apart is the level of detail and clarity in the sound. The headphones' soundstage is wide and expansive, making it feel like you're right in the middle of a live concert or studio recording. Noise cancellation. The industry-leading active noise cancellation ANC technology is one of the major selling points of these headphones. With a simple touch of a button, you can block out unwanted noise from your environment, whether you're on a noisy airplane, a busy street, or just trying to focus in a crowded room. The noise cancellation is incredibly effective, providing a serene listening experience even in the most chaotic environments. Additionally, you can adjust the level of ANC depending on your environment, offering flexibility whether you need complete silence or just a little background noise reduction. This feature is perfect for travelers, remote workers, or anyone who needs to concentrate in noisy places. Battery life and charging. The Bose QuietComfort Bluetooth headphones offer impressive up to 24 hours of battery life on a full charge. This is more than enough for long flights, extended work sessions, or even a weekend road trip. If you're in a hurry, the quick charge feature provides up to 2.5 hours of playback from just a 15-minute charge, so you'll never have to wait long for your headphones to power back up. Connectivity and controls. These headphones connect seamlessly via Bluetooth with your phone, tablet, or laptop. They support multi-point connectivity, meaning you can stay connected to two devices at once, ideal for answering calls while still connected to your laptop or tablet for media playback. The touch-sensitive controls on the earcups are intuitive and easy to use. You can adjust volume, skip tracks, and answer calls without ever having to take out your phone. The integrated mic ensures crystal clear calls, making these headphones great for both personal and professional use. Who is it for? The Bose QuietComfort Bluetooth headphones are perfect for frequent travelers who need effective noise cancellation and comfort for long flights. Remote workers looking for a quiet, distraction-free environment. Audiophiles who appreciate clear, balanced sound across all genres of music. Anyone who wants comfort and performance without compromise. Pros and cons. Pros: top-tier noise cancellation for a peaceful listening experience. Excellent sound quality with balanced bass, mids, and highs. Comfortable, lightweight design for long listening sessions. Up to 24 hours of battery life, with a quick charge option, intuitive controls and easy Bluetooth connectivity. Cons: the price might be higher than other noise-canceling headphones on the market. No water resistance rating, so they're not ideal for workouts or outdoor use. Final verdict: the Bose QuietComfort Bluetooth headphones are an exceptional choice for anyone who values noise cancellation, comfort, and high-quality sound. While they come at a premium price, the combination of features, especially the noise cancellation and battery life, make them worth every penny. Whether you're a frequent flyer, a remote worker, or a music enthusiast, these headphones deliver an unrivaled listening experience that's hard to beat. Would you consider the Bose QuietComfort Bluetooth headphones for your next audio upgrade? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews.